you should be a student of sales, especially if you're a single owner operator growing your business, and you should hand those skills over to your sales team, whether they be in your office or you look at your technicians as salespeople, which you should as well, at least to some degree. The sales process, there's a million ways you can approach it. There's hundreds of coaches out there, literally, and they all have different methodologies. The one I came up with, because I actually came up through sales, telemarketing, I was hawking pro audio gear at Guitar Center for a while. I've been through the sales channels before I was pretty much anything else. And the structure I always liked is the greeting, qualifying, pitch, and close. Right. And that's a very simple structure, but it helps remind you that the sales process is a structure. And don't forget to ask for the close. Don't forget to close it out. But I think some things are lost in that you must first listen. You must be a listener. And your greeting and qualifying should really be about prompting your prospect or client so that they feed back information to you that you can then use to say, okay, well, how can I bring this person the most value? Not what can I get out of them? Not how big can I make the ticket? It's how much value can I deliver to this individual? And you do that by listening to the problems that they think they have and attacking those problems. So oftentimes you'll be working through and everything will be happy-go-lucky. And then at some point there'll be friction. There'll be resistance, some reasons why maybe now isn't the right time, or I need to talk to somebody first, or your price point is too high. There's a handful of objections, but I wanted to frame that. Sales is about a conversation. It's about discovering, and it's about delivering value, and then not forgetting to ask for the damn close.
Always be closing.